April 2007. Click on Office button and select Extra options. In first popular tab, should check the Show Developer tab in the ribbon. Thereafter, you have to check Trust Center. Go to Trust Center settings. Change the radio button to never show information about blocked content and enable the Trust Center login. Then press OK. Okay. Now we can see the developer tab here. In the developer tab, we can develop macros and record macros, and we can write macros using Visual Basic script also. And there is so many internal options which is useful to manage macros.